I got this Artelio woodworking kit sent to me to make a video about. All right, let's go ahead and check this thing out. This is the Artelio woodworking set. You get all of your angle clamps and your screws. Everything fits in the case so that you can just organize everything in there. So it feels like it's really durable. These are metal. You got your metal pieces, and then these are plastic with metal inserts. And then the angle brackets are all metal, and they got nice measurements. You can see there's measurements on there in millimeters and in inches. So you got both, and you can flip them over. And this other side's got millimeters, and this other side's got inches, from 1 to 5 inches. It also comes with some gloves. You got a set of gloves, and then some washers, and then your screws to tighten everything up for the brackets. All right, let's go ahead and test this thing out and see how it works. I got a wood frame here that I'm going to go ahead and put together. It looks like there's 2 ways you can set it up. You can put the brackets on the inside or the outside. It just depends if you want to nail it to hold it together or if you're just going to leave it clamped up until the glue dries. Here's what the screws and clamps look like. They look like they're really good quality. Here's the tightening nut. It feels really good, like it's got a really nice smooth plastic around it, and it works really well to tighten everything up. It's got really good threads, so it screws on really smooth, tightens up everything really good. There's also some washers. I forgot to put those on the last one. Let me go ahead and show you how those washers work really quick. So the washer just goes in between the clamp and the thumb screw. So you just put that on there so that you get a nice tight fit. That way you can really tighten it down without damaging anything. The washer will give a little more support on the plastic thumb screw, so everything should last a little bit longer that way. And then you just put 1 clamp on each side of the bracket. I put it in the middle hole, but you don't have to do that. There's plenty of holes if you need to make some adjustments to get everything to fit together, especially if you clamp it on the outside. Then you'll have to make some adjustments to get it all to line up. You can see how well everything lines up and how the clamps hold it all together really tight. You can also use the brackets as a straight edge on the outside to get everything to line up really nice. It can be a little tedious to put everything all together, but if you take a minute to put all your clamps together and put all the screws on, it'll go really quick and it's not too bad. Okay, so here's how it looks. You can see how the clamps hold everything together really nice. These look like they're really good quality clamps, and they're holding everything together really nice and secure. This part's optional if you want to get out your air compressor and put some brad nails into the corners. I'm going to go ahead and put some wood glue on first because the brad nails really won't be that strong. The glue's what's going to hold it together. And you don't even have to use the brad nails. You could just glue it and then keep the clamps on to secure it until the glue dries. But I'm going to go ahead and glue it, and then I'll put some brad nails in it. That way I can take the clamps off and then we can put the clamps away, or we could use them to make another frame if we wanted to. Nail guns can be a little tricky, and if you don't line them up just right, the nails can damage the wood. That's what happened here. One way to prevent that is to line the nail gun up on your workbench. That way you can get it lined up nice and straight so the nail goes right in the middle. Then once you get it lined up, you can just go ahead and rotate it around, and then you know you're going to get your nail right in the middle each time. One of the things that I really like about this kit is the case. It's got a place to put everything, so that way you don't have to go searching for all the different clamps and brackets when you go to do your next project. Everything will just be all organized in this nice little case. So here's the frame I made with the tool kit. I think the frame came out pretty nice. And then, like I said, I had a little bit of a booger there where I put the nail gun in. So if you're not too good with the nail gun, then just line it up on your workbench to get in there nice and even. And you don't really have to use the nail gun. You could just leave the clamps on there and then just let the glue dry. I think it came out really good. It was really nice to hold everything together nice and square with the tool kit. So yeah, if you're looking for a framing woodworking kit, this Artelio woodworking kit's pretty nice. I like how I was able to put this frame together, and I could see how you could make all kinds of things with it. You can make picture frames, boxes, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this kit's pretty nice.